This is the MoGo 4 laser, XGIMI's latest flagship triple laser projector that just launched, and it retails for $799. But make sure to check the link in the description for the latest offers and accessories. Having said that, if you prefer the cheaper option, you can opt for the MoGo 4, which retails for $499, which is an LED based projector, but still has all of the great specs and qualities as this triple laser one. So speaking of specs, let's take a look at these a bit closer. This is a wireless projector, which is great for outdoor experiences like glamping or even garden parties. It has a 71 watt-hour battery, which gives you around 2.5 hours of playback of video on eco mode or 6 hours of music playtime. To power it up, it's as simple as pulling it up, tilting it towards your screen and playing back your content. It can rotate 360 degrees, so you can project this literally at any angle, and with autofocus and auto keystone, you'll get a great picture no matter what angle you rotate it at. It has two 6-watt Harman Kardon speakers to give you loud and punchy audio, which we'll showcase shortly. It has a brightness level of 550 ISO lumens with a 1000:1 contrast ratio. And finally, you can attach any HDMI accessory, even ones that support ARC soundbar connections, and it also has a USB input as well. So if we look at the accessories, with the laser version, you can get these magnetic creative filters, and you have choices of up to 4 of them, which will give you really cool effects to enhance your projection creativity. Let's take a quick look. All you need to do is snap one of these filters onto the front of the lens, then make sure you download the XGIMI Creative Filters app from the Google Play Store. Once you've opened the app, this creates a nice ambient immersive environment. So the first one here is a sunset filter. You can cycle through each one of the scenes per filter by either swiping your hands in front of the filter, which is actually very smart, or using the left and right buttons on the remote. This is the lunar filter. Here's the ripple filter. And finally, here's the dreamscape filter. It also comes with this small and compact infrared mini remote control, which is such a nice touch and just makes it quick and easy to navigate around the Google TV system and adjust volumes pretty easily. The primary remote is more multifunctional with dedicated YouTube, Netflix and Prime Video buttons, and the 4th shortcut button that you can use to set any of your other favorite apps. The remote itself is also backlit, so you can see the important keys in dark environments. And finally, this is the new PowerBase Stand, making the portability and setup of your home theater so much quicker and easier without having to worry about placing it on a tripod or table every time. And not only that, the PowerBase Stand is rechargeable and can double your video playback to 5 hours, making this a must-have accessory for the MoGo 4 series. So Google TV is something you've all seen many times before, so I won't spend much time going through how it looks or works, but it does have a licensed Netflix app, which of course is a bonus. If we quickly cycle through the settings, you can take a look and pause the video at any time to see if there's an option or function that you'd like to know exists, but I'll speed this part up just to save a little bit of time on the video. Alright, so now let's take a look at a sample demo of how great the visuals and audio are. And although the projector is natively 1080p Full HD, you can play back upscaled 4K content with no issues.
How do we evoke wonder? And how do we create an experience that takes you there? That immerses you in the moment. We are on a quest for the spectacular. innovate. We find a better way. We study the senses. We measure awe. We calibrate wonder. We tinker. We test. We fine-tune. We keep going until a solution's in sight. We design. We build. And work with fellow innovators to blur the line between here and here. To take you to new worlds. Let you escape. Help you connect. And give you the power to see, to hear, and feel the spectacular. Imagine where we'll take you next.
So as you saw, the visuals were incredibly vibrant, provided you do watch this in a dark room with rich, accurate colors that really popped off the screen. The contrast ratio made dark scenes feel deep and cinematic, while the overall clarity was pretty sharp, especially when paired with my ALR screen, which helped enhance the image even in brighter environments. And let's not forget the built-in Harman Kardon speakers. The audio was surprisingly full-bodied and immersive, easily filling the room without needing any external sound system. Altogether, it made for a truly premium home cinema experience. And one last thing I wanted to showcase is the ambient light mode. Once you enable this by having the projector face down and hold down the power button, you then pair it with your phone's Bluetooth so it becomes a Bluetooth speaker, and then you can listen to your music whilst the light moves to the rhythm. You have the options under the settings to go and adjust how you would like the lights to move with the rhythm, as you can see here. But let's go ahead and give you a quick demo of how this looks and performs.
Every time you look at me, it feels like an eternity. Every time you're close to me, our worlds collide. I always knew you were the one. Your love is like 1,000 suns. I'm letting go of all my guns. I'm yours, please be mine.
So that's everything. Hope you enjoyed the first look at the MoGo 4 laser. Undoubtedly one of my all-time favorite portable laser projectors that pretty much has it all for both an indoor and outdoor cinematic experience. And when you're ready to take this with you, whether that's for setting up outdoors or on your travels, you can simply attach the mini remote to its little strap on the handle like this, just for convenience. And then it's so easy to put into your backpack, including the PowerBase Stand that has 2 parts to it, and the PowerBase cable and remote control as well, and you're on your way. Links are in the description if you're interested in getting one of these, and if you did enjoy the look of this projector, make sure to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you at the next one.